Welcome to Tech Cody channel. Today we are going to discuss one of the important dates topic. Here you can get 2 to 3 marks for every competitive exams in general studies paper. Here we can discuss both national and international important dates and themes in the month of October. Before going to the topic, please subscribe my channel, like and share the video to your friends, click the notification button. Let's go to the topic. 1st October is a International Day of Older Persons. Here you can remember that it is in this video you can discuss themes of these important days. The theme of the International Day for Older Persons is pandemic. Do they change how we address age and aging? 2nd October 2nd October is an International Day of Non-Violence. 4th October is a World Animal Welfare Day. 4th October to 10th October is a World Space Week. You can remember that the question is comes like this: on which week we celebrate this World Space Week? Means we can take as a 4th October to 10th October we celebrate as a World Space Week Day. The theme of World Space Week Day is a satellites improve life. 5th October is a World Teachers Day. The World Teachers Day theme is teachers leading in crisis, reimagining the future. 5th October is the World Habitat Day. The theme of World Habitat Day is housing for all, a better urban future. 2nd October to 8th October 2020 is a National Wildlife Week. The theme of National Wildlife Week for 2020 is Roar, Roar and Review, explore the human-animal relationship. 7th October is the World Cotton Day. 8th October is the Indian Air Force Day. 9th October 2020 is the World Post Day. Here you can remember that this question is repeated in some of the exams. 9th October is the World Post Day. 10th October is the National Postal Day. 10th October is the World Mental Health Day. The theme of World Mental Health Day for 2020 is Mental Health for All. 9th October to 15th October is National Postal Week Day. You can remember this: 9th October to 15th October is a National Postal Week Day. And the theme of this National Postal Week is every year National Post Week is marked to create awareness about the role of postal service in the country. 10th October is a World Migratory Day. Migratory Day. 10th October is a World Migratory Day. The theme of Migratory Day is birds connected our world. 11th October is the International Day of Children, Girl Child. You can remember this is the important question repeated in some of the competitive exams. 11th October is the International Day of Girl Child. The theme of International Day of Girl Child is My Voice, Our Equal Future. 12th October is World Arthritis Day. 13th October is the International Day for Disaster Reduction. 14th October is the International Standards Day or World Standards Day. The theme of International Standards Day or World Standards Day is protecting the planet with standards. 15th October is the World Students Day. 15th October is the International Day of Rural Women. Build rural women resilience in the wake of COVID-19. The theme of International Day of Rural Women is building rural women for resilience in the wake of COVID-19. 15th October is a global hand washing day. The theme is hand hygienic for all. 16th October is a World Food Day. The theme of World Food Day is grow, nourish and sustain together. 17th October is the International Day for Eradication of Poverty. The theme of International Day of Eradication of Poverty is acting together to achieve social and environmental justice for all. 28th October is the World Statistics Day. The theme of World Statistics Day is connecting the world with data we can trust. 28th October is a World Astrophotography Day. The theme 28th October is a International Chess Day. The theme of International Chess Day is healthy food for the future. 21st October is a National Police Commissioner Day. 21st October is a National Police Commemoration Day. 22nd October is the International Stuttering Awareness Day. The journey of world, the journey of words, resilience and bouncing back. The theme of this 22nd October International Stuttering Awareness Day is journey of words, resilience and bouncing back. 23rd October is a World Snow Leopards Day. 24th October is a World Polio Day. The theme of World Polio Day for 2020 is a win against polio is a win for global health. 24th October 2020 is a World Development Information Day. 24th October 2020 is a United Nations Day. 27th October 2020 is a World Day for Audiovisual Heritage. The theme of World Day for Audiovisualization Heritage is theme Your Window to the World. 27th October to 2nd November Vigilance Awareness Day. 27th October is the 74th Infantry Day of Army. 28th October is the International Animation Day. 29th October is the International Internet Day. 31st October is the National United Day or Rashtriya Ekta Divas. It is an important question. Kindly remember it is repeated in lot of the exams. 31st October is a National Unity Day or Rashtriya Ekta Divas. 31st October is a World Cities Day. Please subscribe my channel. Please subscribe my channel, like, share and comment to the video if you have any queries.